welcome to our new learning. This time we have another topic, which is the sizing of mean wire and circuit breaker for a group welding machines, that is single phase 130 volts, 2 pole, 2 wire plus ground. So this time ito yung mga individual welding machines, as you can see. So itong sizing of main wire saka circuit breaker ng individual welding machine is na content na natin to last time. So you can check my sa YouTube account ko. Okay, so ito yon. So please check na lang sizing ng wire sa individual welding machine using PAC 2017. Okay, so dito is detailed yung explanation how we can arrive yung circuit breaker at saka yung wire ampacity. So that's for individual welding machines, but this time we have calculations for multiple welding machines. And then bali mangyari, so if you look on sa ating presentation, so itong ating group of welding machines is to determine yung mean at saka yung mean breaker at saka size ng conductor sa ating nagiging panel board. Ito. So itong limang welding machine is ito na yon, naka-indicate 6.3, 10 kVA, 15 for 20 kVA, yung tip is 25 kVA. So ito na yon, 5. And then itong limang welding machines na to is meron na silang sariling circuit breaker together with the wire to. So naka-design na sila to, and so on. So for this sa conductor rating, okay na to. But ang tanong is paano yung magiging size ng main at sa ating magiging panel board. So merong PAC code para mag-determine to size up the main wire and the circuit breaker. Then refer to article 6.30 electric welders or arc welders. So at B, for group of welders, so the minimum conductor ampacity shall be based on the individual currents in 6.30.2.1 as the sum of 100% of first two largest welders plus 85% of the third largest welder plus 70% of the fourth largest welder plus 60% of all remaining welders. So ang ibig sabihin nito, itong first two largest welder, which is itong 20 at saka 25, is 100% sa kanyang rating. Ito 100%, and then 85% of the third. So itong 45, 80% siya rito. 70% of the fourth, itong 32.61, and then plus 60% of our remaining welders. Okay, so clear yung ating PAC. So if we compute yung magiging total ampacity, which is here is the calculation for conductor ampacity. So again, yung ating first two largest welders is 100%. Ito. So itong 60 at saka si 59 multiply by 100%. Yan. And then itong third largest welder is 45. Let's multiply that by 85. Okay? So 45 times 0.85 that is 38.25. For the third largest welder, which is 70%, this one, 32.61. So if we multiply that by 70%, that is 22.83 amperes. Lastly, 60% of the remaining welders, itong 22.19. So again, 60%, that is 13.31 amperes. So if you get the total, you have an ampacity of 104.17 amperes. So ito na yung reference natin to get for the wire sizing. And then refer to the PEC table 3.10.2.6 B16. So we have here wire ampacity. Ang ating gamit is copper wire. So first column is square. And then the third column is ito yung sa wire ampacity. So THHN, THHW or THWN. So at 75 degrees Celsius. So if we look on the yung sa ating calculation, we have total conductor capacity of 104.17 amperes. So look on the table. If we use the 60 square mm, meron siyang 155 amperes. But itong 80 square mm, meron siyang ampacity na 190 amperes. So if you look in the 100 square mm, so 220 amperes. So masyado ng medyo mataas masyado. So ang tanong is ano yung fit na para sa kanyang main wire. So for me, so yung ating total is 104.17. So I prefer to use this 80 square mm which have an ampacity of 190 amperes. Okay, so that's why ang ating wire size is 280 square mm THWN. So we have PEC table again to determine the value. Okay, from article 6.30 sa PEC, this is for arc welders. So at A, ito is yung for individual welders. So each welder shall have an overcurrent protection device rated not more than 200% of the IMAX. So ito yung for individual welding machines. And then it says, and then the overcurrent protection shall be rated not more than 100% of the rated primary current of the welder. So ito yung sa individual welding machine. So at B, for conductors, so conductors that supply one or more welding machines shall be protected by an overcurrent device or ito na yung circuit breaker or set not more than 200% of the conductor rating. Okay, so from that, yung ating OCPD circuit breaker at 200%. So itong 194, let's multiply that by 2 or 200%. So we have a total of 388.34 amperes. So ito rin ating reference to size up dun sa ating circuit breaker. Okay, so and then refer to PEC again from PEC 2.40.1.6 standard ampere ratings. So yung ating nakuhang value is 388.34 amperes. So dapat not more than 200%. So di tayo pwedeng lalagpas dyan. 388. So it falls something from here. 300, 350 or 400. So if we use 400, ano na siya, lalagpas na ng yung 200%. If So, itong 350, ito yun na yung gamitin natin. Hindi siya lalagpas not more than 200%. So, therefore, yung ating magiging circuit breaker is 350 amperes circuit breaker. Okay, so, medyo clear yung PEC na business natin to size up yung magiging wire at saka circuit breaker ng ating welding machines. Okay, and then we're almost done with our short discussion. So, to sum up na lang, so magiging output natin. So, itong ating main wire circuit breaker is ito na yan. 350 amperes saka dalawang 80 square mm TSWN. So, ito na yung ikabit natin dito. Ito, sa ating protection. Ito yung wire saka yung kanyang circuit breaker. Okay, so I hope you learned with this short discussion. So, please subscribe para kayo updated sa mga next videos na i-upload ko. Thank you.